Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to the device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. If you get any informative video on this channel, then do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So let's start the video. In this comprehensive tutorial, you'll learn how to install and configure the Netgear Orbi RBK854 AX6000 router for maximum Wi-Fi performance. This guide includes Orbi app setup, satellite synchronization, firmware updates, security settings, and expert troubleshooting tips to help you build a fast, stable, and secure mesh Wi-Fi network. Follow these easy steps to get your mesh network running in just a few minutes. So let's start the setup process. Plug one end of the Ethernet cable into your modem. Plug the other end into the yellow Internet 1 port on the back of the Orbi router. Turn on your modem. Wait until all modem internet lights become stable. Connect the Orbi router to power. Press the power button if necessary. The router LED will pulse white while starting up. Wait approximately 3 to 5 minutes until the LED turns off. The router is now ready for setup. If you haven't already, open the Google Play Store, Android, or Apple App Store, iPhone. Search for Netgear Orbi. Install the official app. Open the app. Allow all requested permissions, including Bluetooth, local network, location or camera, used to scan QR codes. These permissions help the app discover your Orbi devices. When prompted, enter your Netgear email address. Enter your password. Tap Sign In. If you don't have an account, tap Create Account. Enter your email address. Create a password. Verify your email address if required. Your account allows you to manage your Orbi system, receive firmware updates, and enable security features. Inside the app, tap Set up a new system. Allow camera access. Scan the QR code located on the bottom of the router. The app will automatically detect the router. The app checks your ISP connection. If your ISP uses dynamic IP, no additional information is required. If you use PPPoE, enter username and password. These are provided by your internet service provider. Create your Wi-Fi network. Choose Wi-Fi name, SSID. Example, home Wi-Fi, or Wi-Fi password. Create a strong password containing uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, or special characters. Tap Next. The router applies the settings. Once setup finishes, the router displays your network status. The satellite appears online. Connected devices become visible. Internet access is available. Reconnect all your wireless devices using the new Wi-Fi name and password. Now setup is complete. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will always help you and solve your problem as soon as possible. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more useful updates.